The human community cannot know what will happen in the future. Events such as the explanation of coincidences. Comments about the future are among the characteristics of decency. It is not possible to decide by chance events, and observation results in some previously unknown events. The word probabilitas is historically referred to in Latin as probabilitas. This concept comes across as the opposite of the concept of certainty. It is called probability that the result obtained as a result of random effects is expressed by measuring the risk with mathematical values. The result of an event that occurs cannot be predicted in advance, but it can be one of the consequences. The actual result can be determined by chance. Luck, on the other hand, is something that develops unpredictable. Probability, on the other hand, comes across as a mathematical concept obtained by the realization of something. History of probability. Probability date 8 with the oldest known statistical calculations. And 13. It was developed and emerged by Arab mathematicians who studied cryptography over the centuries. Mir, 17. He was a very rich and gambler in this century. He bet on one of every 4 dice he threw that the number 6 would come. But when he shot with 2 dice, 24 times came the number 6, his bet started to get bad results and he lost. Mir asked his friend Pascal why this game had gone bad. Pascal, on the other hand, started the birth of this theory as a result of correspondence with his friend, who, like himself, studied mathematics on this topic. For starters, probability is often developed to study discrete events. At the same time, the methods were often based on integrated mathematics. But over time, views of analysis have outweighed them. It was decided to add constantly changing ones to probability theory. Probability, examples of probability, probability theory, probability history, examples of probability, what is probability, probability in mathematics. Probability theory and everyday life. When you look at the word probability, it comes across in very different ways in everyday life. One of them is important to develop and apply probability theory as mathematics. If we look at the systems of probability examples, it is possible to sort games such as coin machines, cards, dice and roulette. Another example is the possibility that a coin will flip a coin by throwing it into the air. In addition to these, the possibility is used in sciences such as physics, engineering, medicine. Examples related to probability can be replicated with samples such as human groups, gas molecules, genes. People who have a certain age and experience reflect the person's experience in their comments about their life expectancy. But this does not mean that you will tell any person exactly what will happen. In the same way, 2 parents may have some predictions about genetic diseases that occur in their child. But this situation is not related to a specific individual.